Have you ever asked yourself, what do I have to offer? If so, you're not alone. And in this video, we're going to give you 3 questions and a couple of case studies to prove to you that you have specialized knowledge that you could share with the world and get paid for. Let's go. This is Brian Finale, where we help entrepreneurs grow their tribes and get paid for their knowledge. And you're asking yourself, what do I offer? Which tells me that you've got a business or you're looking to start one. You've got a product or at least an idea for a product. You're being called to serve at some capacity, to create, to help solve problems. And you want to go out there, package up your wisdom, knowledge, experience, and get paid for it. So let's have some fun. Let's go over a couple quick questions designed to help you get clarity on what you could offer, what you could create in the marketplace right now, based on the knowledge, wisdom, experience you already have. Okay, question 1, ask yourself, have I helped somebody with X, but I didn't get paid for it? This is a powerful question. If people are continually coming to you for advice around some area of impact, if you are known for something within your circle of friends, if you helped somebody recently solve a specific problem or challenge, but you didn't get paid for it, that could be your superpower. If you are already helping people with diet advice, dating advice, sharing your tips and wisdom and knowledge for free, this could be something you offer. Question 2, what am I good at? Ask yourself, what am I good at? Take some inventory. What are your unique life experiences? What are the lessons that you've gone through? The training, the hobbies you love? What are you good at? What types of podcasts do you already consume? Do you go to live events? What do you do with your free time? What are you good at that you have some skills in that you haven't really thought about? Like, hey, maybe there's a business here. Hey, maybe I could offer and create something that others are looking for, and I could help them with a specific problem or challenge. Just ask yourself, what am I good at? And question 3, if money wasn't an issue, what would I spend my time doing? When you ask yourself this question, you'll get clear on some things that you were born to do. You have passions that when you do them, time disappears. You have learned a ton around a specific subject matter because you're passionate about it. Now, that's not to say every one of your passions is going to be a good business or a good offer or something that you can create. We're going to want to make sure that there is an audience that is buying these types of offers. But a really good place to start, a question to ask, is if money wasn't an issue, what would I spend my time doing? And if you can get paid, if you can answer that question and you can get paid to do that, you will be happy. And you will create a wildly massive impact, and you will leave a legacy, and you will share your skills and your knowledge and experience with posterity, with the next generation, and you will leave the world better. And a bonus question, imagine you had a TED Talk. What would it be about? And you may not know the answers to these questions right now, but these are a great place to start for you to start getting the wheels going on what you could offer based around some of your skills, knowledge, and experience that you already have. Now, I promised a couple of case studies, and we always honor our word here. This is one of our rockstar clients, Erin. She had a midlife crisis, and she turned that into a midlife transformation. And she did it with a particular set of skills and knowledge and psychology. And now she is growing a thriving business. And the second chapter, the second part of her life, is, in her words, a fairy tale. And she is now put all of that information into an ebook. And I'm not going to go through this funnel right now, but this ebook leads to a workshop that she is hosting to bring these principles, these concepts to life, which from that workshop, she will be offering group coaching to those who are going through some type of transformation, midlife. Is this really it? What else is there? Those types of questions around that midlife crisis and how she turned it into a transformation and shifted her identity to become this confident, thriving, vibrant business owner that is completely location independent. And she's showing others who are just like her how to transform that midlife crisis into a midlife transformation. She's gone through it. She's gone through the experience. She learned some skills, and now she has packaged it up for a very specific audience. And she is now teaching and training and getting paid for it. And here's Eric, another one of our rockstar clients who has had years of experience in corporate America in sales, selling for some of the biggest names on the planet, some of the biggest brands, $23 million in products and services sold. And now, for the first time ever, he's getting paid for his knowledge. He's bundling up his skill set that he acquired over years, and he's helping his clients triple their sales rate. So if you've got a business, if you're in any type of sales performance-based model, if you've got a product, service, or offer, or a coaching business to sell, he's taking clients through his personal, compassionate closing process on how he changed his life with sales, and how his clients can take a couple of these tips, a couple of these wisdom pieces, a couple of these insights that took him years to figure out, and they can apply it to their businesses and triple their sales. And we're not going to go through this funnel either, but this funnel takes his prospects through a process. The next page invites his clients to a one-on-one call where he is going to have a one-on-one conversation. He's going to do a sales audit with his client, well, potential client. And if it's a good fit, he's going to offer and invite them into a group coaching program that is a $2,000 program. And clients are happy to pay that if you can get them a result like 3x in sales. So just another beautiful example of a guy taking his wisdom, going through our framework and taking his wisdom, knowledge, and experience in sales and bringing it to the marketplace to serve, solve, and get paid. And this will work for all different verticals, industries, and professions if you have a set of skills and some knowledge that will help others compress time, get a specific result, get an outcome. We've got clients who are in the psychedelic space, who are helping people heal through psychedelics. We've got clients who are in dog training and dog racing and obstacle courses with horses. We've got clients who are in health and wellness, who are in dating, who are in nutrition, who are in life coaching and personal growth, who are in wealth creation and trading, and fill in the blank. If you're asking yourself, what do I offer? You do have value. And if you want some help figuring out exactly where your superpower is and exactly what you could offer, we'd love to help. That's what we do. We create leaders in their specific industries, and we help individuals get paid for their knowledge. Whether you're just getting started and just have an idea, not even an idea, but have something inside of you pulling you to create, and you want to do more, be more, give more, have more, contribute more, create more. And don't think that your offer has to move mountains or cure cancer, as amazing as that would be. Your offer, it just has to solve one problem for one person. And it only has to help the guy or gal who is one chapter behind you. And you've got an offer. And with the right offer, you can create a life by design and more impact than you could ever imagine. This has been Brian Fanale with Digital Mentors. Smash that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.